You've seen the demos. The AI writes perfect code, drafts flawless emails, and answers every question instantly. So you buy in, you roll it out to your enterprise, and then, it falls apart. It starts making things up. Why? Because of the context problem. Your AI might be smart, but it has the memory of a goldfish. Here are the 5 biggest limitations killing enterprise AI right now. Number 1. The garbage in, garbage out problem. Unlike traditional software, AI consumes unstructured data. If your pipeline feeds outdated PDFs or contradictory policies, the AI will confidently give the wrong answer. Number 2. The needle in a haystack effect. Big windows don't read like a human. Models often ignore critical details buried in the middle. Number 3. Context overload. More data doesn't fix it. Dumping 10,000 docs slows the system and reduces accuracy. Number 4. The long horizon gap. AI is great at single interactions. Ask it to sustain reasoning over a week and it loses the plot. Number 5. The token cost explosion. Every retrieval step costs tokens. Massive windows make your CFO sweat. If you don't solve the context problem, your AI is just an expensive party trick. Today, we fix it. Here's how to engineer context so your AI works in production. To understand the solution, we have to understand why generic AI fails in the enterprise. Out of the box, it's impressive, but it's generic. Enterprise production needs specific, accurate, verifiable knowledge, not how most companies do it, how your company does it. Generic AI says, here's how most companies authenticate users. Contextual AI says, here's how we authenticate users given our architecture and constraints. It references your legacy systems and your security documentation. That's the difference between plausible and production ready. Today, most teams toss a giant, messy drive at a model and hope retrieval works. It pulls redundant and contradictory content. The result? Confusion masquerading as confidence. You feel speed, but you don't get truth. Context is a finite resource, an attention budget. Each new piece of info depletes that budget. Scale it blindly and you get context rot. Buying a bigger model isn't the fix. The answer is context engineering. Engineer what goes in the window, and everything changes. Context engineering is the art and science of curating exactly what goes into that limited context window. Find the smallest, high signal set that gets the right answer. Step 1. Curate, don't dump. Stop relying on massive context windows to save you. You need retrieval-augmented generation, but contextual retrieval, not naive keyword grabs. Before the model sees data, chunk, index, and rank, so only the most relevant pieces enter the prompt. Apply freshness and authority filters to kill stale, low-trust sources. Use query expansion and entity resolution to match how your org actually names things. Protect your token budget. 5 right passages beat 50 random ones. Curate the needle. Ignore the hay. Step 2. Build verified knowledge bases. Your AI is only as good as what it retrieves. Look at companies like Uber. They built an internal assistant, Genie, for engineering questions. It works because it pulls from a private Stack Overflow full of human-validated answers. Build a publish pipeline, SME review, tests for accuracy, then promote to the KB. Make citations first class so teams can see and trust the source. Verified beats verbose every time. Step 3. Optimize your tools and prompts. Keep system prompts at the right altitude, specific enough to guide, flexible enough to work. Make tools token efficient. Don't return 50 pages when a paragraph will do. Chain tools. Retrieve, verify, then synthesize. Add guardrails to keep drift in check. Small targeted context, clean prompts, efficient tools. That's production AI. When you master context engineering, everything changes. Security and governance become manageable because you control exactly what the AI sees. Accuracy skyrockets because it references your architecture, not generic internet data. Trust builds when your AI can cite sources and prove where answers come from. The gap between a cool demo and millions in ROI is context. Stop fighting the context window. Start engineering it. If this helped, hit subscribe and tell me, what's the biggest AI failure you've seen in your company? I'll see you in the next one.